In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. Whether you're looking to take a break or just want to step away from social media, I'll guide you through the steps to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So grab your device and let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or Edge, whichever you normally use for browsing the internet. Once your browser is open, navigate to Instagram.com. It's best to ensure that you have a stable internet connection so everything loads smoothly. Once you're on Instagram's homepage, log in using your username and password. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Now that you've logged in, let's head over to your profile. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Give that a tap or click and you'll be taken to your profile page. On this page, find and tap Edit Profile. You've now entered the area where you can manage various settings related to your account. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Edit Profile page and you'll see the option to temporarily deactivate my account. If you're on a mobile device, this option will appear under your bio section. On a desktop, you'll find it near the bottom right of the page. Click or tap on it to proceed. When you select this option, Instagram will ask you a question: why are you deactivating your account? A drop-down list will appear next, offering reasons such as need a break or privacy concerns. Select the reason that best describes why you're choosing to step away from Instagram at this time. After you've made your selection, Instagram will prompt you to enter your password again. This step is necessary to confirm your identity and ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Next, click or tap the Temporarily Deactivate Account button. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you really want to go through with deactivating your account. Confirm your choice, and once that's done, your account will be hidden from public view. This means no one will be able to see your profile, photos, or any activity associated with your account until you decide to log back in. And there you have it. Your Instagram account is now temporarily deactivated, offering you the break you might need. When you're ready to return, simply log back into your account and everything will be just as you left it. We hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget